Okay, welcome back everybody. Hopefully you've had a chance to try and build a rocket and now you're thinking, I want to put this into my folio. So you've got your complete rocket here, and to make a drawing of it, Onshape can help you a lot, and it's a very quick process. I'm going to show you. So down here where we insert new part studios and new assemblies, we actually have a create drawing. You're going to click on create drawing, and you're going to go for ANSI AMM.dwt. We're going to click OK. And we should have this page here. Now, I'm going to get rid of that because I like just using this. All right. We don't want to insert our parts, we want to insert our assemblies. So I'm going to choose assembly 1, which is the one we just built. And here we can select all the different views. We can look at top, left, right, front, back, bottom, and isometric. I'm going to select isometric, and I'm going to change the scale. So the bigger the number, the smaller it is. The smaller the number, the bigger it is. So I'm going to go with a 1.3. And there we go. We've now placed that. Now, if you've got nothing selected up here, we can now double click on our rocket, and we get all this information. I want you to make sure you got your view label and your scale label present. Now, that has pushed it into there, so we might make our rocket a bit smaller, 1.4. If you don't like that view, you can always change it here. You can change it to a right, front. I'm going to keep it at isometric. Okay. And you roughly want to have 2 to 3 views. To add extra views, you're going to come up here to insert view. We might insert a top view. Don't want it to be 1.3, maybe we'll do it a 1.6. That way we've got space to add extra views. Okay. Now I'm going to click that. That way I can double click on this. View label. Now, important for your drawing is I want you to be able to see that you actually have created a drawing which is the same scale and measurements as your real one. So I want you to come up to the dimension tool here, and we can actually dimension out our rocket. So I'm going to click here and here. That way I can see, oh, your fins are 126. That's the same as in your actual rocket. Now I am going to add an extra view because I want to get a measurement of how big the rocket is. So I'm going to go with a front. I'm going to go with a 1.6. I'm going to put it here. Now, how big is your rocket? I'm going to go here, here, and I can pull out that measurement, and it's 451 millimeters. Okay, it's about 45 centimeters. How wide is it? I can do this. 83.85. You can add whatever views you want to be able to communicate what you want it to communicate to me. You don't have to fill this in. Fill this in if you want to. It's just a title. This is all arbitrary. Now, to get this onto your Onshape, you're going to come down to this drawing tab here, and you're going to right click on it, and you're going to have export. You're going to click on export. You can change the file name. I'm just going to keep the drawing. Make sure your format is JPEG. Okay, this will produce an image of it. Once you're ready and it's JPEG, you've got the file name, you can click export. There we go. Now in our downloads, and it's there. You can click on that and you can insert that straight into your create section of your folio. But this is all you need to be able to produce for me. Give it a couple more measurements, maybe one more view. Don't crowd it. Make it look like a good engineering drawing. Thank you, everyone. Hopefully now you should know everything you need to be able to build a rocket on Onshape.